Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below. Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 Shoutout Challenge. So this episode, the YouTube channel that I am shouting out is from Italy. It's called INDOVINA che VIENE e CENA. Now it's translated in English as Guess Who's Coming to Dinner. The English version is Guess Who's with an apostrophe coming to dinner with a singular quotation mark at the end. Serena, you're killing me. It's not searchable. So I'll put the link in the bottom. Please go to Guess Who's Coming to Dinner. Link in the bottom. Give her a subscribe. It's an awesome channel. Does cooking, puts out a ton of videos, cooking, baking. It's amazing. On Tuesdays she has Lost Vegans Tuesdays where she makes wonderful vegan dishes. It's an amazing channel. I feel she's not getting as much views just because of the English title. And again, Serena, you're killing me. I go to search it and I just get that damn Sidney Poitier movie. So give Serena a subscribe. Links in the bottom. I'm gonna make a drink in your honor. So this is for you, Serena. It's called a Sidney Poitier, named after that damn movie I keep on getting when I search your channel. So I'm gonna let Mookie go. Mookie's on the catch and release program. So off you go. Be free, Mookie. Be free. Indovina che viene e Siena. And again, check out her videos on Tuesdays. She has amazing vegan dishes. Okay, so again, this one's for you, Serena. I got a hurricane glass, and this is called a Sidney Poitier in honor of Serena's YouTube channel. Just put in some ice. All right. Sidney Poitier. We got 1 shot of vodka. We'll go 2 ounces of white rum. Some cherry bitters. 3 ounces of mango nectar. 4 ounces of pomegranate juice. And then we'll go 2 ounces of lemonade. And I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of lemon lime club soda. I got a nice lemon wedge for a garnish. That's a Sidney Poitier for Guess Who's Coming to Dinner with 1 quotation mark YouTube channel. Check it out. Coming up next, what do you think, Mookie? It's the channel's from Italy, so we're gonna go get some Italian takeout. Mookie likes that. Calgary, it's Il Centro Pizzeria. That's the address, 106 6036 3rd Street Southwest. It's actually very close to the Chinook Mall in Calgary, Alberta. It's just a little strip mall, and it's family run. Now, how I heard about this place, it was featured on Pizza Wars, I believe on the CMT network. So I went there with my girlfriend. Now I ordered the Negroni. Please watch episode 1. Very first scene on my first episode, I make a Negroni. That's the Negroni at Il Centro. Now there's this show in England called the Graham Norton Show, and they had a Christmas special, and he had Jamie Oliver on, a celebrity chef, making a Negroni, and the other guest was Will Smith. So Jamie Oliver says he's going to make a Christmas Negroni, and Will Smith replies, "I too have been known as a Christmas Negroni." It's kind of neat. The Prosecco came in a little champagne type bottle with the cork. So there's the star of the show, the gnocchi. I think it's by far the best gnocchi in the city. My girlfriend had the vongole, or clams, linguine and clams. So definitely check out the gnocchi at Il Centro. And this is the pizza they had featured on Pizza Wars. It's called a Stuzicina. It's basically a margherita pizza, but it has the fresh tomatoes, and then it's just covered in prosciutto ham. It's just a gorgeous pizza, and it's Neapolitan style. So on the Pizza Wars, they went up against two other pizza places in town. I've tried all three pizza places, and I like Il Centro the best, even though Il Centro didn't win that episode. I think Il Centro should have won. They're by far the best pizza out of the three. Close second was Without Papers. Special thanks to Serena. Guess Who's Coming to Dinner YouTube channel with one quotation mark. Please subscribe or look it up in Italian. The link is below to that channel.